So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called GetUpside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called GetUpside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So breaking news, California has shut down again. Governor Gavin Newsom has decided to again shut down California indefinitely. I'm gonna get over all the details, go over all the policies and what this means for Uber and Lyft drivers. Just as Uber and Lyft drivers were seeing demand pick back up on the apps, just when things were all getting good and dandy again, people were going out, back out, businesses were starting to flourish again and adapt, learning to how to adapt with all the new, the new normal. Backtrack, we're going backwards again, guys. So what does this mean for Uber and Lyft drivers? That's what we're gonna be talking about today. Seriously, guys, guys, use the link down below for GetUpside to get money, cash back on your gas fill-ups. I'm gonna sync up my phone here and go over all the details of the policy of the new updates. This is the GetUpside app. Just so you guys know, just so you guys can see that I'm not fooling with you guys. When I go to fill up my gas, 48 bucks back per gallon. Not too shabby. 613 bucks. This is how you redeem. You can redeem for Amazon. I just do PayPal. Get it straight to my bank account. It's legit. So legit that I'll even show you guys my bank account. Well, I guess it goes into my PayPal account, right? Yeah, let me go into my PayPal then. Just because I know a lot of you guys have been asking. Look at this. GetUpside. 65 bucks the other day, 31 bucks the other day. 22 bucks the other day. Where's GetUpside? 29 bucks. There was a bigger one. Here we go. 1,243 bucks. Not bad, right? And then I just put that in my bank account. I don't need to go through my bank account. It'll just say PayPal. Here we go. Governor California shut down, right? Governor shuts bars, dining as virus, California halt. Bars and indoor dining businesses. This is on time. Let's just do here. Let's do time.com. This is the official. California Governor Gavin Newsom on Monday extended the closure of bars and indoor dining statewide and ordered gyms, churches, and hair salons in most places as coronavirus cases keep rising in the nation's most populated state. I'm currently sitting outside of 24 Hour Fitness and they are closed. They're typically open 24 hours a day, right? Shocker. They're closed right now. The data suggests not everybody is practicing common sense, says Newsom. He also imposed additional restrictions on the 30 counties now with rising numbers, including LA, San Diego, by ordering worship services to stop in gyms, hair salons, indoor malls, and offices, and for non-critical industries to shut down. He didn't include schools, which are scheduled to resume in a few weeks in much of the state. But Monday, the state's two largest school districts, San Diego and LA, announced their students would start the school year with online learning only. Boom, that's huge. Why? Because now parents are gonna be staying at home more rather than dropping their kids off and going out and getting rides for Uber and Lyft. That means a lot of Uber and Lyft drivers essentially are gonna have a lot less rides, which is a bummer. But the order devastated the world's 5th largest economy with more than 7.5 million people filing for unemployment benefits. Newsom moved quickly to let most businesses open in May. This is indefinite, guys. This is in California, but also obviously California is one of the biggest states. So with that being said, what does that mean for Uber and Lyft drivers? Less rides. Less rides, more masks, less money, more staying at home. Should unemployment benefits be extended? Yes, yes, yes. The only backlash that I've seen is that a lot of people, Governor Gavin Newsom, he is getting a lot of like backlash and rallying. Newsom now owns the COVID-19 pandemic. Newsom failed to prepare for, yeah. The only thing I've seen is that a lot of people are really unhappy with, maybe with his decision. So a lot of business actually are not order statewide closures, including indoor. Oh wow, this is brand new news, breaking news right here, guys. Required to close. All counties are required to close. The 30 counties that are on the state's targeted engagement. Yeah, guys, this is huge. This is huge news. What do I think about it? I don't want to talk about too much about what I think, just because there's a lot of mixed data out there, guys. But I would say that one of the arguments I did hear is that this is not good to re-shut down a lot of people. I mean, maybe I can go on to his Instagram. Let's just go on to Governor Gavin Newsom's Instagram announcement and see what the comments say. Gavin Newsom. Because one argument that I've heard is that, well, businesses are already open and adapting, and when you kind of go back, it really hurts the economy even worse again, because, you know, places are opening. This was yesterday, 10,000 comments. You guys want to see what the comments say? Since you deleted my message, I'm going to ask you again. How is it that you never talk about the high recovery rate? Why do you say masks work, but have to close all indoor businesses? Why are you constantly instilling fear to the public? Clown. Track the outbreaks. They don't go to gyms and many other places you're closing. This is turnkey tyranny. How do you keep your winery open but close small businesses? Please explain this to us. You're ruining people. Yeah, there was a thing where he's keeping his winery open. You do not have to close. Governors don't make law. Know your rights. We don't want you. How about closing your winery this time? But will you close your winery? You're hurting California by closing everything. Why you gotta close the gym? Why don't you? Yeah, I mean, yeah, there's a lot of people recalling him. Recall Governor Newsom. There's a lot, I mean, there's a lot of drama with this stuff. A lot of people don't like him in California, especially. There was some drama that happened with him in Orange County because he bashed Orange County, and then Orange County opened all the beaches, and there's just a lot of drama going on. But for Uber and Lyft drivers, this is not looking good. Still wishy-washy. I don't have a set date on when Uber driving is going to be back to normal. I thought it was kind of, we were already at our new normal, but this is a total step back. So yeah, we're gonna see, guys. I'm gonna be with you guys, holding your hand, you know, as much as I can. And you know, if for now, use the link for GetUpside to start earning cash back in your gas, so at least you can make money, a little bit of money that way. But for now, guys, yeah, stay tuned with updates, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Have a good day, guys. Bye.